Sincere love and encouraging. Since today we are so blessed to have this EMS satsang, it's not just for our development, but it's also for our development from like we have so much time other than our parents and our grandparents. So let's make so much use of it. So there's this short story wherein there's this teacher who comes in a class and says to its student that today is your surprise test. Everybody starts turning the pages, starts to read the notes. Then he just gave a white paper in which there's this black spot. I think you might have heard this story, and then he says you have 10 minutes and you have to write about this. Now, since when every children they have 10 minutes, they write about that black spot and the white page. Now, when the teacher takes all the paper and try to read what all the students have written, most everybody of it have written about the black spot, and they ignored the big white space. Now, since the moral of the story is, in life also we have we give so much attention to this black spot, which is just a 1% of whole 100%, and wherein the white space is 99%. Now, since in life also we give so much importance to our problems like our looks, our desires, our future, our past. But since if we don't focus on what is present at this moment, we lose interest in our life. So since I request you to just live in this moment, as they say, आज में सुकून, कल में सुकून, सदगुरु के ज्ञान से हर पल सुकून. सत्संग जी, I just want to say you that हमें इस सदगुरु निरंकार की भक्ति में व्यस्त होना है, क्योंकि अगर हम भक्ति में व्यस्त नहीं होंगे तो हमें सारी परेशानियां जो है वो हमें सताती रहेंगी. तो साथ साथ जब हम भक्ति में व्यस्त हो जाते हैं तो कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हमें परेशान नहीं करेगी, और हमें हमेशा गुरु की सेवा करनी है. हमें गुरु को ढूंढना भी नहीं है, क्योंकि जो ढूंढने जाते हैं वो ढूंढते रह जाते हैं, और जो गुरु की सेवा करते हैं उन्हें भगवान खुद ढूंढने आते हैं. सिंसियर विथ लव, धन्यवाद जी.